Are you struggling with dry air, trouble sleeping, or cracked skin? Finding the perfect humidifier can transform your living space into a comfortable sanctuary. Today, we're revealing the top 5 humidifiers that combine cutting-edge technology with stunning design. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have this incredible portable cool mist humidifier, perfect for creating the ideal atmosphere in any room. What makes this unit special is its stunning 7-color LED lighting system that creates a soothing ambiance while effectively humidifying your space. The cool mist technology is gentle on your skin and respiratory system, ideal for year-round use. One standout feature is the automatic shut-off function, providing peace of mind by turning off when water runs low, ensuring safety and preventing damage. The compact design makes it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or your car. The whisper-quiet operation won't disturb your sleep or concentration, while continuous mist output keeps air perfectly balanced. The easy-fill water tank requires minimal maintenance, and the sleek, modern design complements any decor. If you want to grab this fantastic humidifier, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 4, coming in. At number 4 is this versatile USB-powered humidifier revolutionizing personal comfort. This innovative device combines high-performance humidification with a beautiful nightlight, perfect for any space. The USB power capability means you can use it anywhere. Connect to your laptop, power bank, or car charger for instant humidity control on the go. The colorful LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere that helps you unwind. What sets this apart is its dual-purpose design that humidifies while providing gentle illumination, perfect for bedrooms, dorm rooms, or office desks. The whisper-quiet operation won't disturb your work or sleep, while efficient misting technology keeps plants healthy and skin hydrated. The compact size makes it incredibly portable, and simple one-button operation means anyone can use it. The stylish design looks great anywhere. For those wanting to enhance their environment, check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Landing at number 3, we have this exceptional portable aromatherapy humidifier combining wellness with convenience. This sophisticated device takes humidification to the next level by incorporating aromatherapy capabilities, allowing you to add favorite essential oils for a therapeutic experience. The USB-powered design means ultimate portability. Use it at home, office, or take it traveling. The unscented mist option is perfect for those who prefer pure humidity without fragrances, suitable for sensitive individuals. What makes this remarkable is the dual-function atmosphere lamp that creates a warm, inviting glow while distributing moisture throughout your space. No batteries required. Simply plug into any USB port and enjoy continuous operation. The sleek design fits seamlessly into any decor, while the compact footprint saves valuable space. Perfect for improving air quality and maintaining optimal humidity. The purchase link is waiting in the description and comments. Number 2, claiming the silver medal. At number 2 is this outstanding air humidifier featuring hypoallergenic properties and a captivating mood light system. This premium device is designed for individuals with sensitivities, offering clean, allergen-free humidity that's gentle on respiratory systems. The innovative mood light technology creates perfect ambiance for relaxation, featuring adjustable brightness and colors to match your preferences. What distinguishes this humidifier is its dual spray mode. Choose between long, continuous spray for extended moisture or short bursts for quick humidity boosts. The silent operation makes it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, or student dorms where quiet is essential. The cute, modern design adds aesthetic appeal to any space, functioning as both practical appliance and decorative element. The efficient humidification helps alleviate dry skin and respiratory discomfort. Ready to improve your air quality? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. And now, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the ultimate essential oil aromatherapy mist diffuser, transforming homes everywhere. This premium device combines professional-grade humidification with therapeutic aromatherapy and stunning visual effects. The color-changing nightlight creates a mesmerizing display cycling through soothing hues, transforming any room into a spa-like sanctuary. What makes this the best is its versatility. Use it as a humidifier, aromatherapy diffuser with favorite essential oils, or decorative mood light. The advanced ultrasonic technology produces an ultra-fine mist that disperses evenly throughout your space, maintaining optimal humidity while carrying aromatic benefits. The whisper silent operation ensures peaceful environments for sleeping or meditation. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or yoga studios. For those ready to elevate their environment, find the link in the description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.